Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can block friend requests on Facebook, which means if random people are sending you friend requests, you can stop that. What you want to do is click on your profile picture or the menu icon at the bottom right of your screen. From over here, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right. From inside setting, scroll a bit down until you see this option called How People Find and Contact You. Click on it. From over here, the first option where it says Who Can Send You Friend Request. Click on the arrow beside it, and then it's going to show you two options. If you choose everyone, then everyone on Facebook can send you friend request. So what you want to do is choose the second option, friends of friend. Now what this will do is it'll only allow mutual friends to send you friend request, which means if I'm friend with a person called Messi and another person is also friend with the person Messi, that means both of us have a friend similar, which is Messi, so the person can send me friend request. So that is basically what mutual friend is. So it's going to stop random people from sending you friend request. So that's how we guys can block it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.